Shells. A non-fiction by Jolly Phonics. Let's explore it together. Some animals have shells. Under the shell is the animal's soft body. Tortoise, snail, crab. Limpets, mussels, clams, and whelks are shellfish. They can be found in rock pools. Limpets, whelks, clams. Mussels. They cling onto rocks or lie hidden in the weed at the bottom of the pool. When shellfish die, the shells are left empty. You can collect the shells. Tortoises and terrapins have shells with patterns on them. A tortoise or terrapin can tuck its head, legs, and tail into its shell if a predator comes along. Dog. Crabs and lobster have shells, which are a sort of hard skin. Crab. Lobster. A lobster has a jointed shell. It flaps its tail to swim. As a lobster gets bigger, its shell splits. The fresh shell is soft to begin with, but it soon hardens. There are lots of different sorts of crabs. Some are good at swimming, some live inland, and some have long thin legs. Hermit crabs do not have shells. Hermit crab. They look for empty shells to live in. Whenever a hermit crab gets bigger, it has to hunt for a bigger shell. A snail had a coiled shell. A slug has a funny sort of shell that you cannot see. Snail. Slug. Its shell is hidden in its body. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Arcel Academy, and not forget to hit the bell icon.